The NGOs of Rongjeng area of Garo Hills in Meghalaya today organized a public rally cum signature campaign against the construction of Model Degree College at Darugre, Rongjeng in East Garo Hills district of Meghalaya. The public rally cum signature campaign was held to highlight that the construction was sanctioned for 3-story, but Rakesh Newar Sangma built only 2-story. The NGOs and senior citizens found this irregularity through RTI. The NGOs are agitating against the contractor regarding this issue, said Ratu M. Sangma, GSU President, Rongjeng Unit.
Ground floor, first floor kurke, aru abar nam gizer pisokte, track unga barang, cement nang khot naman plerang atungur kinga, ya po atang tatchat na nga, unigum mako hakbarang, ya dia blong yang si sira suwer anak na nga, ya. Rakesh Newal, Rakesh Newal, Rakesh Newal.